He likes to say hi to everybody individually. So go ahead. It's a very long photo, so go ahead. Give him a couple more. Okay, I think you got everybody. Okay. Settle down. It's like he's heavily caffeinated, but he's not. How about if you guys say hi? Good birds. Can you give him a kiss? Oh. Can you cough? Nobody's really coughing. He's having an issue. Ready? Cough. Oh, I just said that. But he feels fine. So you can dance for everybody? Huh? Isn't he a good dancer? Actually, if you watch him dance long enough, I mean, really watch him and tell me, doesn't he totally dance like a little white guy? So relieved when the white guy's laughing at that joke. He's like, yeah, it's not funny. He's cute. Watch this. This is his new edgier dance. He loves that one. Ready? As long as I don't do anything, I just have to stand there and do it. Yeah, they like this one. Listen to that good dog. Yeah, good job. Very nice. This next one we did on Animal Planet's big hit TV show, Pet Star. This is Quality's impression of watching a really fast race. So this is Quality watching a race. Ready? And off! Meow! 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 Good job, Quality! Oh, it's so cool. He's got one more for you. This is a major applause point. And Quality's part of the show. So you guys ready? They're ready. Take it back.